In Geneva, they sell condoms and pregnancy tests with all the candy in the vending machine. Right by the party sticks. Makes sense. And cannabis iced tea. Don't know how I missed that. Just arrived in Geneva for a couple hours. Already spoke to 2 people that say they don't speak English. So we're gonna have to figure out how to get to En Masse tonight, where the Airbnb is. But look at this lake.
We're just walking around Geneva looking for chocolate. It is very hard to find, by the way.
I thought this place was known for their chocolate.
But actually, it's just known for all the swatches.
All the swatches.
All the swatches.
This watches or swatches?
Ow.
Swatches in Switzerland. Pretty good, pretty good. Now let's go find the chocolate.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
So many watches.
Don't record me. Do you mind? So insensitive.
This way? I keep lifting the floorboard out. That's my sock. Hey, what are you doing? I didn't need it anyway. Oh, good boy. That's what we want. Greg.
And sit up straight.
Garden.
Let's hold it, I don't know.